Hey guys, Craig again. Here to review the new Ring Floodlight Cam. Just came out, I believe today's first day it's out. The new 2021 model. This has the bird's eye 3D motion detection. This is hardwired. It's got live view, real-time notifications, privacy controls, obviously weather resistant. The security siren, 110 decibels, 2,000 lumens of light, and the 3D motion detection, which I believe is supposed to help minimize false alarms. So this is my first actual Ring Cam. I have installed one other before at someone else's house. That one worked very well. So I knew this new one was coming out, so I decided to wait a little bit and give this a shot. Okay, what's in the box itself? Typical Amazon, they keep it nice and simple. Right here, you've got the little multi-tool and the instructions and all of the nuts and bolts that go with it. And then you simply have the unit itself. Fairly light, but yet still feels substantial. You know, it's not too plasticky. And fortunately, it doesn't seem any bulkier than the previous model. I wasn't sure with the bird's eye view option if that was going to change the dimensions of the fixture itself. But it seems pretty compact. Again, you have your instruction booklet, which isn't overly complicated, yet thorough enough to make installation a breeze. Quite honestly, I found this light fixture as easy, if not easier, to mount as any other regular floodlight fixture. As long as you have basic skills and you're comfortable wiring in, again, a basic floodlight, you'll be fine with this one. And this is all there really is. You've got your metal mountain bracket that's going to go on your box. You've got any of your nuts and bolts, which is in the plastic bag. Your multi-tool, which is both Phillips head, flathead, and basically a hex driver, which I'll show you a little bit later in this video. You've got your ground, your neutral, and your positive. Again, just very standard. And now you're going to see this plate is going to come right off. And this allows you to mount this base plate and basically snap the fixture right onto it. Again, very happy with the way that they set this up for ease of installation. So this is my current light fixture. Standard motion detector. These are again all the nuts and bolts that they give you, which is a good variety. I can't imagine that you would find yourself in a situation needing anything else. So I've taken my old fixture off. I put the metal bracket on. I then put the white base plate on. And you'll see that they have this nylon strap that hooks right onto the hook of the base plate, allowing you to free your hands up to attach the wires. This is that multi-tool where again I mentioned the hex head, so that you can install those white caps over the posts. And that's it. There is the finished product. Probably took me 10, maybe 15 minutes at that. And that's including, again, turning off the power, which obviously you want to make sure you do first off. Very simple, very straightforward. The unit itself, again, isn't bulky. I think it blends in fairly well. And being white, it actually stands out less than before. Now I want to show you what the siren sounds like. Decently loud. I think enough to scare off the typical intruder.
Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing the new microphone.
And that is my son actually talking through the microphone on the camera. So as you can hear, it comes through very clear. This is the Ring app. This is the live view. You can see that you get a very good spread. I am capturing my entire front yard all the way over to my neighbors. Gives you the option to turn the lights on, turn the siren on. Very clear picture. I'll be curious to see what it looks like at night. I just wanted to get this video put together for you guys today, being that, again, I believe it just came out. In case you were thinking about picking it up, this was my initial unboxing and installation. I'll probably end up doing another follow-up video once I've had it for a little while and let you know how the recording features have worked, how it is at night, as far as adjusting the motion sensing. The only thing you didn't see in this video, which again I'll add in the next video, is the bird's eye. The bird's eye you will typically pick up when it senses someone or a motion. It'll show a dot on a map. But again, there's going to be a lot more to come. Want to get you guys a quick overview of the camera. I believe I paid $250, which is a little bit more expensive than the old model. But I would rather pay a little extra, have the latest technology. For $250, I think it's well worth it. All right, guys, I hope this helped. Remember, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below and let me know what else you'd like to see.